In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add legend to a chart on Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped icon. That's the Google Apps launcher, and it reveals all your Google tools in one place. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets is open, select the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to work with. If you keep many files, you can use the search bar at the top of Sheets to find it quickly. When your document opens, locate the chart on the sheet and click it once. You'll see selection handles around the chart and a small menu with 3 vertical dots at the top right of the chart area. Click those 3 dots to open the chart's quick menu, then choose Edit Chart. This opens the chart editor sidebar on the right side of your screen. The editor has 2 main sections: Setup, where you choose data and chart type, and Customize, where you control how the chart looks. For the legend, switch to the Customize tab. Inside Customize, find and click Legend. This section controls how the legend appears on your chart. The legend is the key that maps each color or pattern to the series it represents, so readers can instantly understand what they're looking at. Now choose the position that works best for your layout. Common choices are right or bottom, but you can also place it at the top, on the left, or even set it to inside if you need to conserve space. If your chart is tall and narrow, placing the legend on the right often keeps labels readable. For wider charts, bottom placement can prevent wrapping. If you're unsure, try Auto, and let Sheets pick a sensible default. As you change the position, watch the preview update so you can see how it affects spacing and readability. A quick tip for clarity: the legend text comes from your data's header labels, so use concise descriptive names in your first row or series titles. Short, specific labels make legends easier to scan and reduce crowding. When you're satisfied, click anywhere outside the editor to return focus to your sheet. Your chart now includes a clear, well-placed legend, making it easier for anyone to interpret your data at a glance.